Those who know me well know that painting's not my strong point. However, I have masking taped, which I don't normally do. I'm very proud of myself. Let's go. I've been going 2 minutes. Started putting the white paint on and then realised that I hadn't actually put masking tape on the carpet. So I go to put a bit of masking tape on the carpet. 2 minutes. Unbelievable. I've also done the first coat in here. Didn't make too much mess. It's a little bit on the curtain, but I'm doing it anyway because it's not very nice. Well, I don't think it's very nice. And this one. These little things are wonderful. Look how shiny my little dashboard looks. While I've been painting the van, Mum's done the new cushions. How cute are they? Got the best, Mum. Early start for day 2. Hoping to get all the painting finished today. Let's go. Second coat done. I'm pretty good at this. She says. I feel like if someone else was to look at this, they'd be like, oh, you should have sanded it down. Because the last person that did all the paintwork didn't do such a grand job. However, for me to sand it down, you're looking at hours extra, and it's not because I'm lazy, it's because I appreciate my time, and I'm not about perfectionism. It wastes time. That time I could do something nice, fun and enjoyable. I mean, this is quite enjoyable, but not as enjoyable as other things, so time to clean the van. 3 coats done! Loving it. Halfway there. Ducking my little baby today. I've got a couple of hours off. 10-hour day today, but I've got a few hours. I'm going to do a bit of work in the van. Trying to paint the cupboards. This is my attempt at making a bookshelf. That is the remains of the chair. So Mum didn't like the little heart thing that I bought. She said it was very tacky, so she's redesigning it. Let's see what she comes up with. She just says to me, what's that, Mum? Oh, I just said this is fucking awkward. We'll just take the roof off for a minute. Yeah, we just pop the roof up so she can get the nails in. She asked if I could take the roof off. Just for a minute. Just for a minute. Current update. Looking very, very cute. I'll be here if anyone's looking for me. Tucked up in bed. Side of the road. You're mine for sure.